Morning, geocaches. Oh, looks like we're about to find out the time. I hope you're well. I'm out doing a series of caches this morning along the city walls in York, and I'm about to do another one. And if you can see this, I think you can. It's just shy of 400 meters away. Oh, about 400 meters according to the app. And just over there, you probably heard the bells. That was from, I don't think it was the Minster, but it was one of the surrounding churches. It might even be the Minster. Anyway, let's go looking. So one of the great things about these caches is you do get to see the city from a different perspective, which is kind of nice. I've walked these walls before, but I never knew all these caches were on them. Brilliant. Just through here we'll have a quick look. That's the city, that's York St John University. Some of the older buildings, and there in the corner, one of the newer ones. Isn't that a wonderful view? What a cool little rooftop garden. I'm really not sure if I'd like to live there. Very dark. Right, okay, so I'm just approaching Warmgate Bar. Let's have a quick look on the app and see what it says. I think you can see that, 116 meters away, so not far. I might have to go down the steps and up the next bit. Oh, here we go. Hope I don't bang my head, this is very low in here. Plenty of step exercise this morning. Oh, the sun's trying to peek out. Let's have another look. See where we've got to. 63 meters. So here we have another one of those historical aspects of York. Some old Roman walls. See if I can, how much of this I can show you. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to log this one as I did not find. I'll show you a little photo. It's not very clear, but I happen to have some binoculars with me, and unfortunately the cache has fallen off the city walls into the undergrowth. So I shall let the cache owner know and send them a copy of the picture, even though, as I say, it is pretty poor, but through the binoculars you can clearly see it is the cache. These things happen, I guess. Bit of a shame. I found it. Can't get to it. Bit of a different one, as I say. Hope you like this. If you do, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. If you subscribe to the channel, it won't cost you anything, and then when you log into YouTube, you'll get a little notification in YouTube to say that I've uploaded any new videos. So if you like what I'm doing, feel free to subscribe. I'll see you soon, geocachers.